Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters, and a happy feast day of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary to all of us devotees of the Blessed Mother, and to all of you, our dear Manila Cathedral community. And we wish as well to welcome you as we celebrate this joyful feast of the Blessed Mother, to our dear pilgrims, to our dear faithful of the Manila Cathedral. Maligayang pagdating po din sa Manila Cathedral sa inyong lahat. If there's one good thing that we are holding on as we celebrate the feast of Mary's birthday, it is this good news and thought that God would wish to work things out for our lives. Ninanais ng Diyos na mapangyari ang mga magagandang bagay para sa mundong ito. At ano nga ba yung magandang bagay na nasa isip ng Diyos na ninais niya sa mundong ibabaw na ito at para sa atin? The good thing that God would wish to work out in this world is for His only Son to be in our midst. Para ang kanyang anak na si Jesus ay maparito sa atin. At inisip ng Diyos, papaano mangyayaring itong magandang bagay na ito para maging totoo. And God so willed that Mary must be born. A necessary part for God's grace to be fulfilled, Mary has to be here so that we can really enjoy the joy of God's message of goodness, Jesus Christ Himself. God would wish to make things work out for the goodness that He has willed for Jesus to be here. And this was given reflection through the readings that we have heard as we celebrated this feast day. We've heard the words from St. Paul's letter to the Romans. We know that all things work for good for those who love God, who are called according to His purpose. To work things out for good for those who love God. Na maging totoo sa pamamagitan ng ating mahal na ina ang nakatakdang plano ng Diyos sa atin. And pretty enough, we were not able to hear anything about the nativity of Mary, but the announcement of the birth of Jesus through Joseph and in the presence of Mary. But then towards the end, my dear friends, St. Matthew noted these words, all of this took place to fulfill what the Lord had said through the prophet, behold, the virgin shall be with child and bear a son, and they shall name him Emmanuel. All this took place to fulfill what the Lord had said through the prophet. Para maging ganap, para maging totoo ang kabutihan ng Diyos na maging totoo sa magandang kasaysayan ng mundo. Mary was born so that God's goodness may work out. But how can we learn, what can we learn as well from the birth of the Blessed Mother? Kung ipinanganak si Maria para mapasa atin si Jesus, para maging ganap ang magagandang bagay ng Diyos sa buhay na ito. Sa totoo lang po mga kapatid, pinagdiriwang din po natin at alalahanin natin sa araw na ito ang ating mga kapanganakan para paalalahanan tayo na tumatapak tayo sa mundong ibabaw na ito para maging ganap din po ang magagandang plano ng Diyos sa buhay ninyo at sa buhay ko. If we are thinking, why are we here? Why am I still living? Why am I 70 years old, 40 years old, 30 years old? Why am I struggling now with my birth? Why am I struggling with my life? Why am I living my life? What do I still hope for with my life? My dear friend, my dear brother and sister, God wishes as well to work things out for you. For God's goodness to work out in you as well. Mary was born so that God's goodness may work out. You were born as well. We were born as well, so that God's goodness may work out as well for us. May magandang plano ang Diyos para sa inyo at hinayaan din niyang mapanganak tayo para makita natin, para mayakap natin, para ipagdiwang natin ang magandang bagay na ito sa atin. He wishes to work things out well for you, and that is why you are here. We celebrate Mary's birth because we hold on every day God's goodness, Jesus, because of her birth, because Mary gave us, because Mary was given to us as a fulfillment and as a way for God's goodness to work out in us.